Candy! Big Mouth! Surprise! It's a candy party! With 3 huge surprise eggs full of candy surprises! Let's dig in and see what surprise toys we can find! Surprise! Disney cars! Shake, shake, shake! Disney Pixar Cars' new glow-in-the-dark collection. All right! We are off to the races! Surprise! Sophia the first! Shake, shake, shake! Ooh, sweet Sophia candy! And Sophia stickers. Sick bricks. Cool! Look at them all! Donnie Dribbles! Slam dunk! Disney Princess Surprise Heart! Super Surprise Candy! The Zelfs! We're in for something good! The Zelfs! Collect them all! Who do we get? Who do we get? Oceana! Anything left? Any surprise at all? Anything left? Surprise! Shake, shake, shake! Magic Kinder Sprinty. Oh yeah! Now who wants to help eat all this candy? Thanks for cracking us up. Bye-bye. Surprise! It's the Baby Big Mouth Show. Starring Bobby Big Mouth, Betty Big Mouth, Gilbert Big Mouth, Tex Big Mouth, and you. Time for some big fun.
And I love surprises. Let's all look for a colorful treasure inside these surprise nesting eggs.
Surprise!